Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning if there is a way to change the export location in Kinemaster application. Whenever you finish your project on Kinemaster and if you want to export, then simply need to go ahead and click on the export button at the top right corner from the editing screen. Now, you will be able to see that there are several export settings that you can adjust on the screen, such as format, resolution, frame rate, etc. And in order to save your video, all you need to do is save as video on the bottom right corner. Wait for the project to save, and after it does, you will notice that by default the Kinemaster saves exported videos directly to your gallery or photos app on your device. So basically there is no way to directly change the export location for your Kinemaster edited videos. If you are using Android device, then you can move the exported video manually from the gallery to any other folder or external storage such as SD card. On iPhone, there is no direct way to change the export location. So unfortunately, there is no direct way to change the export location on iOS. Hope the video helps you. If it does, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.